welcome to Cooking on the Farm. I am Rachel, and today I am making some freezer breakfasts. I want to get some made-ahead breakfasts because it feels like I'm always running out the door going, did you have breakfast? Did you have... And then we have to stop somewhere and it's expensive, and then you're not getting the quality of things that you normally eat. So I am making some sausage McMuffins without the McMuffin part. I found these multi-grain thin sandwiches and they are super delicious. So they had them at Costco and I'm like, you know, I'm gonna get them. My kids and I don't like a lot of bread. So we do like an open face sausage McMuffin or sandwich. David likes the full sandwich to grab and go. So what I'm doing is I'm toasting up my halves. I'm doing my trick of, I forgot to pull out the butter to soften it. It's next to my warm stove here. Just putting a really thin layer of butter on these. I have my cheese cut and we're gonna make our sausage patties in a minute. I got my griddle on. We're just gonna put these on. And these are pretty big. I mean, if you look at it, it's pretty much my whole hand. So if you have little guys, you may wanna split them in half. So I'm just gonna get these toasty. I've got some over here that are actually cooling. I want them to be pretty nice and toasty here. Once my bread comes off the griddle, I'm gonna put some cheese on it. Not while it's on, because I don't want it to ooey gooey, and then when you reheat it, it just kind of can get rubbery. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. We like things cheesy, so I'm gonna pretty much pack these with cheese. So this is not my normal sausage that I buy, but out of convenience, I bought it's a 3-pound. And then this way, if you have someone that wants more meat, you can make them thicker patties or larger patties, because these are like twice the size of your store-bought ones. The other thing was, keep the box that your muffins came in, and you can stick them back in there upright like this and have them all in a row. So I've got my burner on. I am just going to flatten these out. Remember how that how the bun was in my hand, and try to do about the same size. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until I get all of these done. And we're just gonna fully cook the sausage. So I kind of push these down a little bit to flatten them out more, because we wanna make sure that they are a little bit, you know, spread out. We want every bite to have meat in it, not just most of your bites. So some of you probably noticed I did not say sausage egg sandwich. My kids and I don't like the egg in it. David, however, loves the egg in it. So I will show you how to make the egg in it. Ooh, beautiful. So they shrink up quite a bit. So just keep that in mind. When you make these, make them a little bit big. These ones are still gonna be a little small for the muffins. So my sausage is done. Obviously it's hot. I'm going to put them on my buns over here, and I'm going to let them completely cool, because I want them to go into my deep freeze cold. So if you're toasting these up in the morning in a toaster oven, it's better to pull them out, pull them out the night before, defrost them in the refrigerator, and then throw them in. I think I toasted mine for 10 minutes this morning and they were perfect. If they're frozen, I don't know the wattage of your toaster oven, your regular oven, your microwave, things like that. So you are going to have to check them. I'm gonna show you guys how to do an egg. So in your typical McMuffin bread, it's about the size of your wide mouth canning ring. So you can spray your rim of your thing, or just take some softened butter, go around your rim. I'm gonna put a daub of butter in here. So I kind of pour it a little slowly. I mean, it does come out a little bit, but it does keep it mostly in there. So it's gonna just cook here for a couple minutes. I had this on super low. So I'm gonna give it a couple minutes and then flip it and pray that it doesn't break. And then I'm just gonna set it on top of my sausage over there. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how I wrap these up. They are completely room temperature. I'm just taking a piece of foil and literally as easy as that. And then I'm slipping them in here, just like that. Now, I have to confess, I put the top layer on and his yolk is literally on the counter. I was so mad. See you next time from Cooking on the Farm. God bless.
Okay. Recording there. But, all right. Oh, come on now. Does that look good? Oh, missing your head.
I have a head. Can we place it in there? Quick and easy freezer breakfast.
Okay, how did you lose your head again?
I don't know.
Falling all of a sudden?
Oh, I wish. Actually, I feel really short today. My joints are super sore, so. I turn it off. That's funny. It's hard to cook things if the oven and the stove's not on. What? I didn't drop anything. I didn't drop any.
That's the problem.
So, here's a tip. Where'd my knife go? Thank you, sir. That'd be cool if it was a double yoker. It's a big one. Ooh, that guy doesn't even fit. He'll have to wait. All right.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And leave a comment on the bottom.